Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss what is arrow function, how it is different from a traditional function. Let us see an example for that. Let me write a traditional function. So I'll take two parameters, which are n1 and n2. I'll write a function, open bracket, close bracket, and I'll say add equal to n1 plus n2. I'll return the function. Let's say add, and now I'll call the function. Let's say console.log. I'll give addition of 2, 3. So what do you expect the answer will be? So it will call additional function which has the parameters 2 and 3, which will be the parameters for n1 and 2, and here the addition happens, and the add will be a return type for this addition. So let us see the output now. Node arrow function dot js. Let's see. Now you can see the sum is 5. Let me copy the entire thing. Let me add a comment so that you can see parallelly how these both functions look like. Right? I think now it's properly visible. Now, so arrow function, the first usage is that it will reduce too much of code. The first thing is here you can see is function. If I just remove the function, if I add a arrow value, see, and it is not giving me an error. Now if I run this not arrow function.js, I'll still be getting the same result, that is 5. What I'm actually doing, I'm replacing the function keyword with an arrow, so it becomes an arrow function, right? And now instead of this, we can write even this. Now let's see what the arrow function is. See, we are now still getting the value 5. If you don't have a return statement, if you don't have to write these much code and within a single line, you have defined everything, right? So now, if you want to write subtraction, right? I'll just write let subtraction equal to, so I'll write n1 minus n2, right? So now addition is, so I'll copy the same thing and add the same for subtraction, right? Let's see what is the value now, and let's give 3 and 2 to see the proper result. 3, 2, right? Now let me clear this. Let me write node arrow function js. Addition is 1, and sorry, this should be subtraction. Let me run it once again. See, addition is 5, subtraction is 1. So this is the normal function, this is the arrow function, and you can see the reduction of the code is there. That's it for the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.